Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to live stream on Discord. Reminder that only Windows Desktop can stream games, while Mac and Linux users can only share screens. So let's start. First, open your Discord application. Before streaming, go to User Settings to adjust few streaming features. Under App Settings, click Voice and Video. Here, you can select your input device for the microphone audio and output device for your speakers. In this input mode, you can choose voice activity, which will automatically detect when you are speaking. Also, you can choose push to talk, where the mic will work when you hold a specific button. After choosing, you can now close the settings. Now, let's start streaming. Select the voice channel where you want to stream and click it. After that, you can see three options below: turn on camera, share your screen, and start an activity. Clicking share your screen will bring you to the source selection page, where you will choose the window you want to share with the channel chat. Now, select the window. Here, you can choose the quality, resolution, and frame rate of your stream. Once you're done choosing, just hit on Go Live. A small movable window will appear that shows your stream. You can double click it to make the screen bigger. When you're done streaming, you can just click this Stop Streaming button. You can click this button at the center or this button at the side. When you want to stream a game, go to User Settings. In this page, scroll down and click Registered Games. Here, you will add the game that you want to stream. Click Add It. For example, I want to stream a game called Life After. Type the game's name in this bubble, click it, and hit this Add Game button. Go back and you will see this option to stream Life After. Click it, choose the voice channel you want to stream, and click Go Live. So that's it for our video. If you wanted to know how to stream on Discord, that is the easiest way I know how. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, kindly give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much and see you on our next video.